Hey guys, Marcus here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can fix when you have only one earbud working with the JBL live buds. So what you need to do, this is like really simple. You need to take the left earbud that you have and you want to press it 3 times, and on the 3rd time you just want to hold it, all right? So let's go together. 1, 2, 3. And I got it also connected to my phone, so you're going to see that it's going to factory reset. So you're going to hold it for, let's say, 5 to 10 seconds. And look at this. Right now, I got that automatically disconnected. So what I will do is that I'm going to put it back to the case. And then what you would do is you would take them out. And then this is how you're going to factory reset. So if I want to, I can connect them back and again. These are also the wave buds, white buds, they are the same thing. And that's how you're gonna possibly fix this issue. So let me down below in the comments if this thing is going to work out. And thank you and have a great day and goodbye.